Magkakilala may sinabi yata dati sila Chika about Madriaga. Magkakilala ba silang dalawa?
Si Colonel Lachica mismo sinabi niya hindi niya kilala si Madriaga, he's never met him. Pero ang may kakilala kay Madriaga ay si Lieutenant Colonel Nolasco. So in his affidavit, ang paliwanag ni Lieutenant Colonel Nolasco ay itong si Madriaga was part of an external service provider that taught some security-related course for the PSG, pero it was not an official activity. It was just held in the PSG.
I see.
So after that, si Lieutenant Colonel Nolasco was designated as the training commandant of the PSG at linapitan siya nitong ni Madriaga to volunteer to teach in the PSG the courses that he said in his affidavit na tinuro niya sa PSG. At ang sabi ni Nolasco is, sorry, hindi namin pwedeng tanggapin yung alok mo because we have in-house subject matter experts. Hindi ko kumukuha ng outsiders. So yun, doon pa lang napapatunayan na hindi talaga taga-PSG, hindi talaga insider itong si Madriaga. And more critically, Lord, ito, pinaka-important na hindi ko maintindihan bakit hindi masyadong pinipick up ng media. There's a text message from Madriaga to Lieutenant Colonel Nolasco dahil nga magkakilala sila, soliciting false testimony from Lieutenant Colonel Nolasco. Ang sinasabi niya, Colonel Nolasco, sabihin mo na lang na yung confidential fund sa akin mo binigay, ako na lang magpapaliwanag kung anong ginawa ko doon kasi mag-state witness ako. Parang sinasabi niya, kayo makakasuhan kayong perjury, so bumaliktad ka na lang, sabihin mo sa akin mo na lang ibinigay para hindi ka makulong. Ako, nagiging state witness ako, don't worry about me. So, yun, it provides motive kung bakit niya ginagawa itong false testimony niya against Vice President. Gusto niyang makawala doon sa current na kaso niya, which is kidnapping for ransom.
Nga eh.